Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Tuesday. If you're new here, hey, my name is Jency and I'm on a journey to become debt free. You guys, I am pre-recording. It is Monday. And the reason I'm pre-recording is because I want to sleep in tomorrow, aka today, Tuesday. I do have a question for you guys. Do you guys like this setup better and without the placemat? Or do you guys like it when I have a stack up and then a placemat? What do you guys like? Please let me know. I would love your feedback. So I am pre-recording today. I do have a happy mail from Amanda, Budget with Amanda, one of the Pen PalGroup, which she's actually the person who created. But let me count how much I have today. So I don't have a lot of money, you guys, but we will stretch out our money as far as we can. It is spring break here. It finally ended. But people are still broke. They're brokey. And so I live in Alabama, so people leave down to Florida to the beach. So yeah, everybody leaves, so it's been extremely slow at work, and so I don't have that much money to catch up, but we will make it work. Okay, this is my real life, my truth, my journey, and you guys are in here with me together. So we got $10, 20, ooh, 30, 40, 50, and 60. Okay, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. So $75 to cash stuff today, you guys. But let's go ahead and open our Pen PalGroup. Budget with Amanda. She's the one who created this group where there's like 7 of us, if I'm not mistaken, that we send out some happy mail with our freebie that we have coming on Ko-Fi. So anything that you guys see, they will be available in their Ko-Fi. So for example, the one that I send out, it's going to be available in my Ko-Fi in a few days. I'm just waiting for them to receive it. I just sent it out today, actually. But it says, yes, your happy mail has arrived. Yes, queen. Okay, but oh my gosh, here is the little Budget with Amanda Pen PalGroup happy mail. Okay, I see a Makey. Is this a sticker? I think it is. Yes. Oh my gosh, I love it. Mickey sticker. Then we got a little micro or tiny. It says we got chemistry. Oh my gosh, y'all, bless my heart. Forgive me. We got chemistry. Oh, jeez. Oh, cheese. And then we have another one kind of like science style, super cute. And then we got Easter. I love it that she has it like where you can do your own if you want to do them $1, $2, $3. I like that because, you know, sometimes we don't have a big budget or big amount of money to cash stuff. And so yeah, all right, so here we go. Oh my gosh, you see who this is? Oh my gosh, those all come in set of 3. You were sent 1 from each bundle. Ooh, okay, so all of the ones from here are a set of 3. Oh my goodness, girl, you blessed us. Yes, ma'am. Oh my gosh. Budget with Amanda. Okay, we got him. Look at him. Present, fun, but better because it has cat. Oh, she loves cat. She's a cat mama. Yes. And then I'm literally just a puppy. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is so cute. The little shell, love it. And then a special one just for my pen pal. Oh my gosh, I love this. Okay, this is so freaking cute. OMG, girlfriend, you killed it. You killed it. Thank you so much. Yay. I hope you guys love mine, the one that I created. And yeah, awesome. Thank you so much. I'm going to be taking a thumbnail. So I will put her in the description box, her username on YouTube, so you guys can follow her and also find the so you can find, what is it called, find her on Ko-Fi. So yes, or Ko-Fi, however you want to name it or say it. Okay, let me take a thumbnail, you guys. I need a thumbnail. Okay, let's see, how do we take a thumbnail? Like this. I have no idea. Okay, ready? All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1 cheese. Okay, I hope that worked. Okay, awesome. All right, guys. So yeah, first thing first, this right here is our binder bill. It is not that much money in there, but we're gonna be putting just a little bit, just so we can feel like we did something. Small amounts do add up. I do tell you guys that all the time. All right, Alabama Power, it has $2 so far. We're gonna go ahead and add another $2 on this one. And the reason why I'm doing so small amount is because I don't have a lot of money to cash stuff today, but we will eventually. Alabama Power 60 is half of mine, so everything here that you guys see, it is half for me and half for hubby. So we split rent and bills half, and then everything else he pays for. Eric's bed is gonna get $2, so now it has $4, and this one is for 40. So he helps out a lot with me tremendously. Can't speak. Tremendously. There you go. If I think about it, I can say it. And so yeah, so I'm thankful and blessed with him. He knows that I am on my journey to become debt free. He is tired of seeing me going back to debt every time. But you know, I will say you do have to spoil yourself here and there. I used to do it all the time, 24/7, but now I am starting to learn how to do it correctly. Oh my gosh, I can't speak. What's up with me? Insurance gonna get a $2 as well. Oh my goodness, you guys, I cannot speak. I am so sorry. I don't know what's going on with me today. All right, and internet's gonna get $2 as well. Okay. And then last but not least is gonna be rent. And rent is gonna get $5 today, and so far it has 10, so we have 15 so far. So basically I pay Alex rent bill the first week of the month, so I actually paid him today for my rent bill for April. So this bill binder here we're actually stuffing for next month, which is May. So yeah. So I pay him the first week of the month, and then he takes care of the bills whenever they're due. So there is that. Okay, awesome. So we're done with this one. Now we have our other binder here, which is our saving challenges, and also for any other activities that I need or for anything else that I'm saving for. Unfortunately, I will not be stuffing my priority, which is those two, and that is okay. So we're gonna go ahead and do the first one here. So this one right here is a scratch off. It is for $65, and it is from Spooky Budgets. I did get this February, I think, or before February, that she announced that it was going to be for sale. All right, so I believe this one is a 7. So how much do we have now? Ooh, maybe we finished, maybe not. I don't know. I don't want to get too cocky, because when we risk it, we risk it, we lose the biscuit. Okay, 5, 6, 7. So every time we risk it, we lose the biscuit. Okay, yeah, we ain't got time to lose that biscuit right now. Okay. All right, let's see. 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Ooh, so is this one a 5? Let's risk the biscuit. Why not? You live once. YOLO. All right? Am I too old to say that? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. But, hey, I remember I used to say that all the time when I was in middle school. I was like, YOLO. YOLO, girl. YOLO. Bzz. Okay, here we go. Please be a 5. Yes! Oh my gosh. Okay, so look at that, girlfriend. We are done. Oh, look at me. Okay, baby. I see you. I see you, girl. Okay. All right, here we go. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yeah, so we finished the challenge. It's a good amount going towards my debt. Girl, yes. I don't know what new challenge I'm going to bring out. I may not bring a new challenge out, guys, because I'm trying to narrow it down for less challenge so I can finish stuff faster, because here challenges are super big. They're like more bigger numbers. And they do take longer than usual, but you know, it is what it is, right? That's just how it works. All right, guys. So this one right here is for Mother's Day saving. It is for $100. And I'm going to do a 10 because I think this is the highest, which is the 10. Okay. So, and I do have 110. So that works out perfectly. So you guys doing anything fun yet? What are you guys up to? Talk to me. Let that information out. All right, so I am working on some saving challenges and I'm hoping I can release them this week. I'm excited. So there's that. That little information there. Okay, so this one is going to be a $10. So we're going to do 2 5s. And this one is a bigger challenge as well. But guys, we need to do it. We cannot be too afraid. Ooh, let me do my birthday, you guys. Let me do my birthday. Because I feel like every time I say I'm going to do my birthday, I never do. So let me see if I have money for my birthday. I need to do my birthday. All right, we're skipping this one because we just can't. We will see about that one. This one we're definitely skipping. But let me see. Okay, birthday, you guys. So birthday money is gonna get, let's see, we got a 10. Let's do the 14. So let me add 15. Let me add 15 and get $1 out. And let's do the 14. So next time, hopefully we can complete number 13. So yes, okay. So we're almost done with that one. Okay. There we go. Oh my gosh, you guys, we're so close. We're extremely close. Okay. So I'm glad I did that one because I feel like I never do that one. All right, so that one's done. I want to let you guys know I actually changed my mind. I found, if you've been watching me, I found some of the new release Pokemon. So I'm actually, instead of giving Eric 2 packs for his birthday, I'm actually going to give him 3 packs. So I'm actually going to get all this money out because I was going to give him originally 2 pack and a $20. But I have decided not to. I'm going to use this money towards paying the other box that I got. So he's actually going to get 3 Pokemon boxes. Like, not one is going to be, not boxes, but like packs, if that makes sense. So this money here, I'm going to actually get it out the way. And we're going to say bye-bye to our Easter envelope. So yay, bye-bye. I'm going to use this money to pay back to me for the money that I spent the other day for that. All right, so this one is going to be the Hello Kitty one. Hello Kitty, 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 kitty. Hello Kitty. Have you guys heard that song? It's from a TikToker that she went viral because of that song. Hello Kitty, 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 kitty. Hello Kitty. All right, $4 going in here. Can I reduce that? I probably can. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes, let's do that. Let's put this 5 in here. Okay. Nice. All right. We're stretching our money as much as we can, girlfriend. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's add something here. Can we? I think we can. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes, we sure can. Our Pinocchio challenge. This one will save us 120. So 120, we're going to do the 8th. So yes, ma'am. I feel like I haven't added anything to this one in a while. So why not? Let's add to it. Okay, awesome sauce. So we have 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 so far. So yes. All right, let's see. I think I have either 2 or 3 bucks. Let's see. We got $2. Okay, perfect. I'm just going to add it to my kids, which Dylan is my youngest. And Eric is my oldest. And you guys, I think we're close to almost $100. I'm not sure. Let me actually count. But let's see. We got 50, 60, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, $75. And this is for their savings, you guys. I have started back into, they already have a decent amount of saving, but I'm starting back again. I had not saved for them for maybe a year and a half, and so I'm going back to it again. So we're starting over again into the savings, but they do have something already before in their bank's account. 50, 60, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, $75 each. So yes. All right, awesome. Well, there you have it, guys. But since you were here and watching, let me give another giveaway of the Christmas challenge, you guys. So this is gonna be the other Christmas challenge that I'll be giving away. This one is mine. Let me show you. It's an envelope here. If you want to enter, just comment a Christmas tree emoji and you'll be entered, and I will announce the winner tomorrow. So yeah, so this is how you use it. You put it in your A6 binder, wherever you're using it, and ta-da, perfect. Okay, so super cute. It's just a little thank you and appreciation for you to stop by and spending your time with me, because I've said before, your time is precious. Thank you for giving me part of your time. And yeah, so if you guys want to enter in that, please comment that and you'll be entered. So yes, so there you have it, guys. Happy Tuesday, Cash Stuffing Tuesday. I'm so thankful that you were here. Appreciate your love, your support. You guys are amazing. And yeah, let me know your feedback on my little background here area, like my display area. What do you guys think? And yeah, all right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I see you guys back again tomorrow for Freaky Wednesday. Hey, 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 hey. I love it because everybody tries to get a little bit of love. If you're new, Freaky Wednesday is Mini Mondays and Freebie Friday. All 6 saving challenges from Mini Mondays and Freebie Fridays are all in here together, or 12 of them, trying to fight for a little bit of love. So yeah, alrighty, guys, thank you so much for stopping by today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for giving me your time. Love you guys. Peace.